But let's see what's going on. Well, something's come out there. If it's meant to come out, it'll come out again. Knight of Rods. Some people always deal with the Knight of Rods. This is someone short-tempered, non-committal. Here, there, and everywhere you want them to be. Usually, it could, like I said, be a fire sign. Or just like I said, someone with this mentality. The Hierophant, because someone you had a broken contract, or someone that you knew once at one time. Someone that was kind of solid in your life. You know, that was expected to stay in your life with the Hierophant in reverse. What's crossing it? The Ten of Cups. You wanted a happily ever after with this situation, and maybe it didn't happen. Or maybe you're still striving for it, or they're still striving for you, but still someone's not committal. Someone's not really putting in a whole lot of effort. What crowned you, or the goal, is the Nine of Swords in reverse. You're trying to break free from anxiety, you know. You don't want the stress. You don't want to stay up late nights anymore worrying about situations. Foundation is the Two of Cups, partnership, something of the emotional nature. Could be a lover or just friends, but we'll find out more. You know, when I start clarifying, it changes the story up, so stick with me. And like I said, I'm giving a love reading at the end. In the past position, you were regaining balance with a lot of hard work, doing what you need to do with Temperance in the upright. In the very near future, you got the Knight of Pentacles. You feel like something is too slow or not working as fast as you want it to. We'll clarify. Possible future outcome and advice from the universe is to collaborate, to work hard on something. That does go along with the Temperance a lot of times. Working hard, going towards what you need to do to make something work. What is coming towards you is the Six of Cups. The Six of Cups is in the upright. Could be people from the past situations, things coming in that you like, of the emotional nature. Could be blessings, you know, in a way kind of wish fulfillment, but not exactly. But it's good memories and nostalgia too. That's what's coming towards you. So I'm thinking it's and you may think it's not going to happen at all, but something is going to happen. You are going to break free from anxiety or having a nightmarish situation. Your hopes and fears is the King of Cups. The King of Cups can be a water sign or someone that is emotionally in tune with themselves. So you can even take on this energy even though you're not a water sign. It is someone who is, you know, can take on their crown and really rule well in the emotions of their life. It also could be that you're hoping towards a water sign, you know. Or someone, like I said, with a watery type nature. In the end, something comes out with the moon. You'll find out something. Something will be revealed to you with the moon in reverse. And we're going to find out what that is, hopefully, with this. But we got to go back to the beginning. We did have that, what was that? That Knight of Rods or Wands, whatever you want to call it. But it's someone that you were, I guess, in a way hoping that you had a happily ever after with. Maybe it didn't work out. Maybe you're still working with them and you're still kind of, you know, struggling with them. But you got the Hierophant in reverse. We got the Ten of Cups crossing it. I need 2 cards for Aquarius, why it's there. So I'm thinking some of you didn't have your happily ever after with somebody you were expecting or not. But you feel chained to them in some way, even though you're not talking right now. You feel chained to this person with the Devil in the upright. I mean, in other words, you feel like you can't break free from them, you know, that they're supposed to be in your life for some reason. But at the same time, you're not talking to each other. So this person, you know, you were stuck with them for a while, and not necessarily in a bad way. It's just that maybe you felt you had obligations towards them. Now, what crowns you is the Knight of, not the Knight of Swords, the Nine of Swords in reverse. Try to come out of, you know, a nightmarish situation. That's what you're wanting. You're wanting to sleep again, you know, well, without, you know, hindrances in your life. So the Nine of Swords, I need 2 cards, please, for Aquarius. 2 cards, please. The Hangman in reverse. Yeah, you want to come out of disappointment. You don't want to hang around. You don't want to wait around. You don't want to be stuck. You don't want to have, you know, be stressed out anymore. You're just, you know, you're over it. You're done with it. Now, the foundation is the Two of Cups. Has to do with partnerships, emotional partnerships, or maybe this is what you are now going for, because it's a foundation, you know, what you're wanting. And maybe what's causing all this, or or reflecting on why this is all happening. So the Two of Cups, while you're there, for Aquarius, as the foundation, 2 cards, please. Yeah, you're hoping towards something with the Queen of Cups. I think you're hoping something with a water sign or someone with a lot of water in your chart, so you could check if you know their astrology. Or someone who, like I said, who's emotionally to where you want them to be. Someone that supports you emotionally. You have hopes for this person, to be with this person. In the past, you were working hard towards something. You were trying to keep balance in your life. So Temperance in the upright. I need 2 cards there. Could be the water sign, making an offer, communications with something more of the emotional nature. So Temperance, I need 1 more card for the Page of Cups and Temperance in the upright, in the past position. Yeah, you're going to move forward pretty quickly, but something comes kind of to a halt, or you're going to be dealing with an earth sign that's kind of, I don't know, not for you, or going to try to talk you out of something, or be against something, or you feel like things are just moving too slow. I'll find out more. I don't think they are moving slow because I see your other cards. You're just going to feel that way at first. So the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. I need 2 cards, please, for Aquarius. Why does Aquarius feel like the Knight of Pentacles? Or maybe they feel this energy. Why is it there? If someone puts up blockers and you feel like you don't have enough money or gain in your life to go for the things you're wanting, money may be a little tight, okay? And you may find, like, you may be worried about you can't find a way out of it with the Two of Swords, or you can't see because, you know, there's too many blockers in your life. But you do see something at the end. You do, the universe says to collaborate with the situation. This is advice from the universe, and it could be the actual outcome that you'll be working with, probably more than one person. But you'll be working hard and you'll be collaborating. So I need 3 cards for the Pentacles energy. 2 cards for the Pentacles energy. Yeah, something, it says you to collaborate with something that you may have thought about turning away because you're thinking it's a burden with the 10 of Wands. It says to go for it, okay? That don't turn it away just yet, okay? Even though you may think it's a little hard work. It is hard work. Three of Pentacles is hard work. Temperance is hard work. But it's hard work that brings in stability, okay? Now, you got someone coming towards you, an outside environment. Could be someone from your past all the way back to childhood sometimes. It could be someone that you had fond memories of. So the 6 of Cups in the upright coming towards Aquarius while you're there. Something didn't work with somebody in the past. Let me rephrase that. It's not that they didn't work with you, or maybe they didn't work with you in the past, but they're coming towards you right now, and it's like something didn't work out in their life that had to do with their home life. So you may be hearing from somebody in the past, someone that you had happy memories with, that you had celebrations with, but something didn't work out with them, or maybe not working out with them right now, and that's why they're coming towards you. Or they may relieve some of the heavy work you got to do. That could be it too. But you got someone pretty decent coming towards you. Something that's going to bring you some happiness. Now, your hopes and fears is the King of Cups. The King of Cups can be a water sign. Someone emotionally in check. Maybe you're wanting this for yourself. You can take on this energy, like I said, even though you're an air sign. But the King of Cups in the upright. We need 2 cards, please. We need 2 cards with the hopes and fears for Aquarius. You know what? I didn't do a 3rd card for that. I need to go back. Yeah, you're hoping that something is. You're hoping for more emotions to be in check, but you're also worried about arguments and things coming to an end. You're afraid in some way. I'm going to go back to this Pentacles. I forgot to put the 3rd card out, even though it keeps on popping in my head. So the 3 of Pentacles, 4 of Cups in reverse, 10 of Wands in the upright. I just got excited about it is what happened. I need another card because I know you wanted to say something else. Yeah, something you're going to feel a little anxiety about. Someone's going to offer you something, wanting to collaborate with you, and you're going to think it's a burden. You almost may not want to be trapped, and you may think about turning it away, but the universe is saying not to do so, that it's going to work out if you go towards something. If someone makes you an offer that you're wanting, Now, in the end, you got the moon in reverse. Something comes out. You know, you see things clearly. See things for how they are. The moon in reverse, why you're there for Aquarius at the very end. We'll find out. We'll sum it up. Because I do see, like, broken relationships in the past you felt trapped with. And you're hoping towards other things. And something's heading towards you from the past. So, out with the old and with the new, in a way. But the moon in reverse, I need 2 cards, please. Then we'll do the love reading. The sun in reverse, King of Swords. Yeah, something comes out. Just tell me something has come out, but you got it under control with the King of Swords and the upright. It's not going to make you 100% happy. You're going to find out something. It could be has to do with someone in the past. You will hear something, like I said, you'll at first be afraid to accept it, but the universe is saying it's going to be okay if you do. But something comes out. Someone's going to make you an offer, want to collaborate, and you are going to think about not taking it. But I do think in the end you do. You're afraid that it'll cause like strife in your life and arguments with the Five of Wands, and you're afraid it's not going to work out. But it shows that it could help you break free from things that you thought were stuck. You know, it'll help you break free from disappointments. And you do have high hopes for somebody. So keep your hope up. Don't worry about if something seems a little off at first or be too hard. It will work out. And someone is coming towards you that will bring you something that you like. And there it is again, the King of Cups. The King of Cups can be male or female. When we're doing reading for the masses, we're not going to, assign, just one person or one type of, like I say, male or female. I don't want to bring that into it because we are dealing with the masses. So we got the King of Cups in the very end coming again. So you are going to be dealing with a water sign. At first you're going to find out something or not be sure of it. Something comes out. You're not going to be happy. Maybe they tell you something. You're going to say, oh, that's too hard for me. But the universe says it's not going to be too hard for you in the end. That you'll be liking this situation. It may even bring a happy home from the outside in. So it depends on you. Now, we'll get something to drink. I'm going to read your happily ever. I'm not happily ever. I'm going to get something to drink, and I'm going to read you your cards, your love cards, in just a minute. I'm starting to lose my voice. I'll be right back. Let's see. Free yourself because you got romance coming in. I did see you kind of like feeling trapped in a situation where you wanted to come out of it, a nightmare situation. So go ahead, free yourself because you got romance coming in, okay? Free yourself from negativity, from things that got you bound up, and go for that new romance that's possibly coming in because you got that coming in. It says release your ex. You were dealing with an ex. I thought that. We did see that Hierophant in reverse a lot of times. That I see that the Hierophant is one you go to get married or the Justice of the Peace, someone authority figure. And when they're in the upright, you're going with it. When it's in reverse, it's like it broke, it didn't work out. So it says release your ex and listen to your intuition because you got something else coming in. So free yourself, release the ex that's got you kind of trapped and bound in some way, or did, because something else is coming in, romance. Yeah. Go ahead and separate from the situation. Go separate. Separation is part of it. And don't stop yourself because you got something else coming in. Okay? You do have romance coming in. So free yourself. You got romance. Release your ex. Listen to your intuition. You are right. You're spot on, Aquarius. Separation. If you got to release or walk away from a situation, do so and don't stop. Don't look back. That's what it's saying, and I hate to, give readings like that where someone has to walk away from somebody. But this is going to be for Aquarius that want to, and if it's a flip situation where someone is involved with Aquarius, they're going to want to do this also because they got something new coming in. Sometimes these readings do flip. So if you're wanting to be happy and not be stuck, do what you need to do. Listen to your intuition. Don't feel guilty and don't stop, okay? Do what you need to do because separation is at hand where you need to move on and find a different person. But you got to be free first. You can't be bound to somebody else messing around. Someone from the past, I think, is going to come back with a home situation, but we'll see. It could be that, you're still dealing with the past person also. That has to do with your anxieties. But I see something new coming in, something of the watery nature. So this is your reading, and I'm going to let this go, and I will talk to you later. Bye.